And here we are at Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Looking at the brand new body that we have to reveal. It's a spider web. I love it. Just in time for Halloween. It's a 2015 EZGO TXT with a 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine. Does have the 12-piece Underbody Light Kit. So cool. So again, it is a spider web body. Does have front and rear fender flares. Has the underbody LED light kit on it. So pretty doggone cool. Let's get it out here to where we can see it in the light with the body. So runs and drives very good. Again, check that out. Man, that is so cool. Again, it's a 2015 EZGO TXT. Does have the our base street legal package on it with a 6-inch Jake's long travel lift kit on it. What's included in the base street legal package is your clear front flip down windshield, 5-panel mirror, turn signals, brake lights, horn, 4-way flashers, lighted rear license plate bracket, brake lights. So it does have the LED headlights. As you can see, the Jake's long travel. That's a cool lift kit. It is adjustable for ride quality. This also has the 14-inch spider web SS wheels coupled with the Sahara Classic 23x10x14 tires on off-road tires. It does have front and rear fender flares, as you can see there. Up in here we have the dual USB port, so charge your phones while you're cruising. Up underneath here is the 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. Again, we put a brand new battery in it, brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter. Change the spark plug, change the oil filter. Checked everything out. We're going to give you a 1-year dealer warranty on this cart as well. It does have the 3-tone front and rear seats. They're the gray, black, and light gray 3-tone seats. Lighted rear license plate bracket. This rear seat does fold down into a cargo area or bed, however you want to word it. So very cool. Hey, get out here to 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Come check this one-of-a-kind cart out. You're not going to see this one. You're not going to see it anywhere else. So get out here, get a hold of it. This is just in time for the Halloween season. So give us a call, 419-238-2732. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you all and seeing what you say about this cart. And look forward to meeting you.